Hey, AI enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the battle of the AI titans, DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT. We've all heard of ChatGPT, but there's a new player in town, DeepSeek AI. And guess what? It's making some serious waves. Stick around because you don't want to miss these 5 game-changing reasons why DeepSeek might just be better than ChatGPT. All right, let's start with the biggest shocker. DeepSeek AI delivers comparable results to ChatGPT, but at a fraction of the cost. While ChatGPT and other leading AI models require thousands of high-powered GPUs and millions of dollars to train, DeepSeek AI has found a way to achieve similar results with just 2,000 Nvidia H800 GPUs. That's nearly 10 times cheaper than what Meta spent on their latest AI project. Now that's some serious efficiency. If you love customization, this one's for you. Unlike ChatGPT, which is closed source, DeepSeek AI is open source. This means developers all over the world can modify and improve it to fit their needs. Whether you're tweaking it for research, business, or just having fun, DeepSeek gives you the freedom to experiment and innovate. Okay, let's talk performance. We put both AI models to the test, asking them to summarize the greatest Scottish football players of all time. DeepSeek AI didn't just list the names, it instantly created a top 10 ranking with stats, club history, and achievements. But here's the funny part. It also included 2 non-Scottish players, Brian Laudrup and Henrik Larsson. Oops, looks like DeepSeek is a little too enthusiastic. But hey, it shows it's thinking outside the box. Now, if you're a coder, this will blow your mind. One LinkedIn user tested DeepSeek AI on a complex coding problem, one that ChatGPT 4.0 struggled with. The result? DeepSeek cracked it instantly and precisely. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just assist, but actually solves your toughest coding challenges with ease. Here's a fun one, storytelling. When asked for a children's story idea, ChatGPT provided 6 well-structured ideas. But DeepSeek, it wrote an entire 387-word story. Was it perfect? Number. But the fact that it instantly generated a full story instead of just brainstorming ideas is seriously impressive. Imagine how powerful this could be for writers, marketers, or anyone looking for instant creative inspiration. So, is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT? Well, it depends on what you need. DeepSeek is cost-effective, open source, and offers insane efficiency in coding, research, and even storytelling. While ChatGPT still excels in accuracy and refinement, DeepSeek is proving to be a serious competitor. And let's be honest, competition only makes AI better for all of us. So what do you think? Will DeepSeek overtake ChatGPT? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome AI content. See you in the next one.